Hello, in this video we are going to check out top 5 best Anet 3D printer. We made this list based on my personal opinion that's a result of research for our. We ranked the products based on their quality, specification and all other important facts. We have tried to select them from various price range, so you can easily find the best product for you. You will also find product links in the description. You can check everything about the products through the links. Number 5. Brand name, Anet. Model number, ET4 Pro. Adopt 2.8-inch color touchscreen, simple and convenient operation, good human-computer interaction experience. With offline upgrade function. Copy the upgrade file into the memory card and insert it into the 3D printer to complete the program upgrade. With filament runout detection, it will alarm and pause printing when the material is lacking. It supports automatic feed and return function, and feeding and changing filament can be easily solved by one click. ET4 Pro built-in self-developed silent motherboard, which has stronger anti-interference, faster and more stable motion performance, silent printing and low decibel operation. The work decibel is below 60 decibels, won't affect your work and sleep. It is suitable for library, home, office etc. ET4 Pro comes with an UL-certified MEON well power supply, meeting all the needs of fast heating and long-time printing, protecting your printer from unexpected power surges. Hotbed only needs 5 minutes to reach 110 degrees Celsius. Moreover, the MEON well power supply is concealed in the machine, making it much safer. Anet ET4 Pro 3D printer is a DIY desktop 3D printer that takes about 30 minutes to assemble. A large number of accessories are provided in the box, allowing us to experience the fun of DIY. All aluminum metal frame is strong and durable, light, and easy to carry. Number 4. Brand name, Anet. Model number, ET5X. 3.5-inch touchscreen interface with 4 kinds of languages available: English, Spanish, French and Chinese. Clear UI with friendly interface, easy to select file printing and preview the printing status real-time. Auto-leveling frees you from time-consuming and labor-intensive leveling tasks. Filament protection that protects the filament end and sent reminder to avoid air printing. Resume printing and recover from exactly where it left off. No worries about unexpected power outages. Automatic load and unload the filament with just a click. ET5X applies dual Z-axis rods and motors to make sure the smooth and accuracy of every slight movement. It can get a high printing speed and higher printing precision. Dual Y-axis provide a guideway for a more stable and level moving stage of the build platform. 6 screws plus 3 cables, pre-assembly and modular design with quick assemble in 30 minutes to 1 hour. You can enjoy assembly and easy to finish them. Modular design with quick assemble in 10 minutes. Terminal pinboard design with integrated connection ports, covered wires and a more slick appearance. Industrial grade chipset that allows more accurate, fast print. Protected with safety features like overcurrent protection. Number 3. Brand name, Anet. Model number, A8. The Anet A8 kit is a useful yet affordable 3D printer. Great for beginners and enthusiasts alike. With its capable extruder and hotbed, the A8 is able to print a variety of filaments. The A8 is built intuitively with a hassle-free user interface. Comes unassembled with video instructions. A solid and capable Prusa i3 variant, the Anet A8 is an extremely popular model. It has a large customer base and lots of available customization to kickstart your 3D experience. It is an assembled DIY kit, provides you an unforgettable step-by-step learning experience of 3D printer from scratch. As long as you have a passion for creativity, you cannot afford to miss this product, suitable for a wide range of customers, young or old, professional or amateur etc. Support is 0.01 mm minimum thickness, makes stereo printing more smooth to meet the high fine production requirement. Number 2. Brand name, Anet. Model number, ET4X. The ET4X has a 2.8-inch color touchscreen which makes performing tasks like loading or unloading filament and calibrating the bed an intuitive and simple process. Filament protection that protects the filament end and sent reminder to avoid air printing. You can upload your design and print it online or offline. Resume printing and recover from exactly where it left off. No worries about unexpected power outages. Automatic load and unload the filament with touch screen. 6 screws plus 3 cables, modular design with quick assembly in 10 minutes. The filament runout sensor is positioned in line with the aluminum extruder assembly, and has a small printed bracket that makes it fully aligned with the extruder gears. Terminal pin board design with integrated connection ports, covered wires and a more slick appearance. Industrial grade chipset that allows more accurate, fast print. Number 1. Brand name, Anet. Model number, A8 Plus. The A8 Plus has an aluminum frame which is a lot sturdier than plastic. It also helps with precision when printing, and that's crucial if you want good quality prints. It has a new frame design, larger build volume, and a movable display screen. Movable operation LCD display. The magnetic movable panel breaks through the ergonomic design. Efficient and convenient to operate knob-type button. Larger printing size 300 x 300 x 350 mm. Aluminum substrate heat bed comes with a glass panel, so that the printing is smooth without sharp edge and the model is easy to remove. Added designs of overcurrent protection and short circuit protection, with smaller current configuration, and it is safe and reliable. All metal frame body, stable structure and high printing precision. Self-assembly version, all parts are unassembled.